In this video, I will introduce to you cosine rule, cos rule. We have a triangle, and then the cos rule is the a square equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. Okay, so we have the opposite one. Okay, this one is the opposite one. A square equal to the next to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. Okay, so if we want to have the b square, then we have the b square equal to the a square plus c square minus 2ac cos b. So a square plus c square minus 2ac cos b. So for c here, so we have the c square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. Okay, so for the cos rule, two cases we use the cos rule. We have the SSS, all three sides given, and then the question asks you to find one of the angle, then that is the SSS, then we use cos rule. And then we have the SAS, that is we have a side angle side, then we find the other value, then we will use cos rule. So only SSS and SAS is sine rule. So other than this, okay, use sine rule. So only these two cases we use cos rule. Other than these two cases, we use sine rule. Okay, so if we want to find the angle of A, we want to calculate the angle of A. So we start from this one. Then we move this to this side and this to this side. So we have the 2bc cos A equal to the b square plus c square minus the a square. Then the cos A will be the b square plus c square minus the a square over 2bc. Okay. We look at the work example 18. In the triangle ABC, so we have the 50 degree, 9 cm, 18 cm. So we want to find the AC. So the AC square will be the 9 square plus 18 square minus 2, 9, 18 cos 50. So we have the 9 square plus 18 square minus 2 times 9 times 18 cos 50. Then it is 196. So this is 196.7. So the AC will be the square root of the 196.7. So we have the square root answer. Then the length of AC will be the 14.0 cm. For this question, we have a side angle side, SAS. So this is SAS. Okay. So in the triangle DEF, we have the 180 degree, 25 meter, 34 meter. So we want to find the side of DE. So this one is same. DE square equal to the 25 square plus 34 square minus 225 34 cos 120. So we have the 25 square plus 34 square minus 2 times 25 times 34 cos 120. Then wow, 2631. So the DE will be the square root. So we have the square root of answer. So it is 51.3 cm. for this case, this one also SAS. Okay. We can combine the sine and cos rule. So make sure only the SAS and the SSS case we use cos rule. Other than this, we use sine rule. So work example 20. We want to find the PQ. So this is SAS. We have to use cos rule. Okay. So we have the PQ square equal to 8 square plus 5 square minus 285 cos 100. So we have the 8 square plus 5 square minus 2 times 8 times 5 cos 100. Then this will be the value of PQ. Then the PQ will be the square root of 102.9. Then we have the square root of answer. Then it is 10.1. So this is 10.1. So we want to find the angle of P and Q here. So we use sine rules. Okay, opposite and then opposite. So we have the sine P over 5 will be the sine 100 over 10.1. Sine Q over 8 sine 100 over 10.1. Then the sine P will be the sine 100 over 10.1 multiplied with 5. And the angle will be the arc sine answer, which is the 29, correct to degree. So 29 degree. And we have the sine Q times 8 here. So this is the sine Q. Then the value of Q will be the arc sine. So Q will be 51 degree. Okay. Work example 21. Change the subject for this formula to cos C. So we move this in front and this behind. Then we have 2AB cos C equal to A squared plus B squared minus C squared. Then the cos C will be the A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB. Using your answer, find the smaller angle in the triangle with the side 7, 8, 13. So you imagine we have a 7, 8 and 13 here. So this is 7, 8, 13. So the smaller angle is opposite of the smaller side. Okay, so we have the cos C, this one I call it C, equal to the 8 square plus 13 square minus 7 square over 2, 8, 13. So we have the 8 square plus 13 square minus the 7 square, 2 times 8 times 13. So it is 23 over 26. Then the C will be the arc cos of 23 over 26. So we have the arc cos of answer. Then this will be the 27.8 degree.